Hi, good evening, everyone. How you doing? Um, I just want to share with us in a few minutes on the power of momentum. Momentum, those strings will feel about something. Those excitement will feel about things. The inspiration will feel about things, and later on, when we build on them, they become something great. I just want to encourage us today that we should do all we can not to lose the momentum. You're trying to build something, and you get inspiration, you get new leads, you get new idea, you get new insight. Do all you can not to lose those leads. Do all you can not to lose those momentums. Because the thing is, when you take the first step, it leads to the second step, the third step, the fourth step. But if you don't build on the first step, on that first idea, on that first push, when you lose it, you can't get it back. Momentums are so heavy that the most important part of your journey is just being able to take that first step that is required. So I don't know who this is going to, or who this message is getting to, who this message is for. Please don't lose hope. Don't lose your focus. Don't lose your attention, and don't stop. The most difficult thing in life is starting. Stopping is easy. When you stop, sometimes to start might take years. But when you start building on those things, on those aspects that help you to achieve success, it's easy. So don't stop. Don't stop. No matter what comes your way, no matter the pressure, no matter the triple effect of discouragement that might come your way, don't stop. Please build, stay, expand, do all you can to make sure that you stay on your momentum. Thank you. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Don't lose the momentum. I remain Coach Oge. God bless you.